Hello everybody, it's Geometry 1 Math. We're going to do 3.4 Part 1. Parallel lines and transversals. Here are the standards here. And we have a 34-point skill sheet for this lesson here. We have 0 points of notebook taking here. Teachers, here is your bell work for the day. Think of each segment in the diagram as part of a line. Fill in the blank. Fill in the blank here. There may be more than one correct answer. So give your students 4 minutes. They should be able to do these pretty quickly. Okay, welcome back for our solution PowerPoint here. And for number 1, here they are. E and H are, and blank are skew. So E and H is, where's E and H here? So what other lines are skew? They got AB, AB, CD, CD, where's CD? CD is skew, BF is skew, BF, where's F? Oh, it's down here, that's skew, and then, or CG would be skew, this would be skew of what? EH. And then think of each segment, okay, what about here? Line AB or line AE. AD and blank are perpendicular. So AB is here, and then they got AD. AD is here, and then AE is perpendicular, and AB would be perpendicular because of this symbol here. Okay, into our lesson. In the photography of the tennis court, the angle that the sideline makes with the service line is the same as the angle it makes with the baseline here. Here's the baseline, and then here's the service line here. Corresponding angles postulate. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then corresponding angles are congruent. So this one and what, rather this one and this one, this one and this one, 2 and 7. And then let's see, 3 and 6, and then 1 and 5, 4 and 8. So here they are. If J is parallel to K, then the following are true. Then here's your congruencies here. Example 1, find a measure of the numbered angle. So we got a situation here, a 60 degree. What's 6? Angle 6 would be 60 degrees as well. Then we have angle 5 is 135 because it's a corresponding angle. Then angle 2 would be a 90 as well. These are parallel. So angle 2, 90. Okay, let's do these now. Find the measure of the numbered angle. Find the measure of the numbered angle. Okay, our solution PowerPoint. 120 here for angle 1, and then angle 2 would be 145 here as well. Okay, theorem 3.5, alternate interiors. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then alternate interior angles would be congruent. Here are congruent angles, 3 and 6, and 4 and 5 would be congruent. Find measures of alternate interior angles. So we have our diagram there. PQR would be 35. PQR would be 35 there. And then angle, this angle here is 120. Find a measure of PQR. PQR here would be 120 here. So these would be corresponding. And then PQR would be here, 70, so guess what that would be? It would be a 70. Okay, our next guided practice here. Find a measure of the numbered angle here. Find a measure of the numbered angle here. These are parallel, so measure of angle 4 would be 90, would be a 90. And then the measure of angle 5 would be 65 because they're corresponding, they're opposite angles here. They're alternate interior angles here. These are the same thing. They're alternate interiors, I believe, would be the correct nomenclature for that. And that was 3.4 part 1. Part 2, part 3, email me here. And solution PowerPoints, email me here. Thank you.